Hello, I'm George Knight. You've obviously responded to one of our advertisements, or you've spoken to someone and you're interested in finding out more about our business. We're looking for more people to help us with our project in the Philippines. Our company is called APAC Crim Philippines. We're one of the largest companies marketing wellness, weight loss and anti-aging products in Southeast Asia. We're 20 years old and we do businesses in 36 countries. Since January, our business has increased dramatically in the Philippines. If you've got an interest in health and nutrition, doesn't mean you walk around with a handful of broccoli or anything. If you're prepared to work closely with us, either part or full time, then we want to talk with you. If we do work together, you'll receive the best business training available in the Philippines, and you'll have the opportunity to travel overseas as well. If what I've said is holds interest for you, give us a call or text us, and we'll make a time to sit down and talk with you further.
Okay, hi, I'm Jessica Albino from Philippines. I use the product to reshape my shape and the good nutrition. After 1 month and a half, I lost 4 inches of my waistline and 30 pounds. My background, I used to work as a travel consultant for 9 years. Then I resigned. Then I used to work also an OFW in Dubai. I resigned. I realized I earn dollars, spending dollar as well. I went back in the Philippines. I met APAC Crim Philippines through my friend. She told me if I want to do the business, I need to attend the money-making school. Then I attend the training. Then I licensed my business. With this company, I traveled in Malaysia for the training. And 30 days income, I earned 30,000 pesos. That's why I love doing this business.
Hi, I'm Marisa Leto from Melbourne, Australia. Before I joined APAC Crim, I was in constant pain from my tennis elbow and knee problems. I was also suffering from hyperacidity in the stomach. After 2 days of being on the products, my acid reflux symptoms disappeared and my energy level increased. Within 5 weeks, my knees and elbow no longer give me pain, and I lost 5 kilos and 5 centimeters from my waistline, and that's without doing any exercise. Most importantly, we made $500 extra income, and we have now people in Australia, the Philippines, Japan, Singapore, and Norway in our team. I just love doing the business.
Mabuhay! My name is Michael Domingo, 23 years old from Davao City, Philippines. I took the products for losing weight because I felt so heavy before. 2 weeks into the program, I lost an incredible 11 pounds. I worked as a marketing department head before, and then after my contract ended, I saw an opportunity through a sticker. That's how I met APAC Crim Philippines. I went to an orientation, I took the ticket, and had my money-making school training. My first income, 610 pesos. I qualified supervisor. I had my 2 local trainings, which were in Cebu and Manila, and then my 3 months income was amazingly 48,000 pesos. I love doing the business.
Hi, my name is Evelyn Esquivel from Davao. I use the product for good nutrition and losing weight. In 1 week, I lost 10 pounds, 2 inches off my waist. Bonus, my dysmenorrhea and migraine corrected. My background, I'm a bankrupt single mom. I found Asia Pacific Crim Philippines through a friend. She told me to attend the money-making school, which I did. As a direct result from that, I was able to travel 22 times in and out of the country and was able to buy 6 educational plans for my son. I bought 5 lots all in cash, bought a brand new car, and made $7 million in 6 years. I love doing this business.
Hi, this is Kendall Mendoza from the Philippines. I am a certified public accountant, and before joining the company, I used to work in a bank, earning $300 a month. I met this company through a flyer, and on my first month using the products, I've lost 2 inches off my waist and 10 incredible pounds. I shared this result to my friends, and in just 6 days, I earned extra $300. I was so excited and decided to do this business seriously. I've been with this business for 13 years now, working full-time with my husband, and we traveled to different parts in Asia for trainings and had a free vacation in the Caribbean. Because of this business, we built a house, bought 2 condominiums, 2 cars, and we spent quality time with our 3 kids. What we used to earn in a year in our previous jobs, we can earn it in just 2 weeks with this company. It's simply amazing.
I got involved in this business 15 years ago. I was a 20 years old student in Secretariat, overweight with a serious eating disorder, pretty shy and insecure. I got great results with the products. I lost 15 kilos in 2 months and a half and got rid of my trouble of bulimia after a few more months. I got started the activity part-time, but it soon converted in a full-time business as it was giving me higher incomes in 2 hours a day than would my full-time job. I worked for 12 years with my ex-partner. We had no knowledge whatsoever about nutrition or marketing, but we worked hard and really committed to attend all the schools and do what we had to do to succeed. Little by little, our business expanded abroad through contacts of contacts, and we got to what we call the president team level in 2005, reaching monthly incomes above 30,000 euros a month. Amazing! I was only 32 years old. Right now, I'm a single mom living with my 2 girls of 8 and 6. I've got this great privilege to work from home around my girls, spending a lot of time with them and also traveling a lot, now that I'm focusing on this new market that is the Philippines. I just love it.